Hello again. Welcome to the introductory course on what is Forex trading for absolute beginners. So I hear you asking the question, so what is Forex? Before we go into that, let's play some imagination game. Now imagine you are planning a trip to a different country. You need to exchange your money for the local currency, right? Well, that's kind of like what happens in the Forex markets. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where people trade different world currencies. Just like you might trade items with your friends, people trade currencies here. Now, the reason people trade currencies on the Forex market is to take advantage of changes in their value. You see, currency values can go up and down based on a lot of factors. These factors could be things like the health of a country's economy, political events, or even just good old supply and demand. When the value of one currency goes up, another currency's value might go down. Now, here's the interesting part. Traders try to predict these changes and make money from them, right? Let's say you have some dollars and you think the value of euros is going to increase. You might exchange your dollars for euros, and then when the value of euros goes up, you can exchange them back for more dollars than you originally had. Now that is Forex. Forex stands for foreign exchange. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.